What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. I'm inside of the shipping container conversion, and we are doing welding, independent welding classes today. I actually got a gentleman in here who owns his business, but he want to learn welding. So we're starting in the flat position, and we're starting using 6011 rods, getting him familiar with the bead and how to run and keep a straight line, and actually keeping the gap and keeping his angle and working on the basic things. But he's really coming on along. So we're gonna step in here real quick, peek in on him, see how he's doing, see how things turn around. Let's check it out. Looking good, looking good. Getting a little bit more comfortable with it now, I can tell. Oh yeah, you doing it. You're taking your time, man. You're doing good. As you see, my guy in there killing it. I appreciate him for networking with me. Like I say, for those who want to get some welding, independent welding sessions or welding classes, go on the website www.HogOn2017.com, www.HogOn2017.com, and we can help you with that. So if you're looking to get stick welding, MIG welding, TIG welding, or just a few hourly classes or whatever you're trying to do, because we also teach fabrication too. So if you're looking for that, make sure you hit us up. Check the website out. Check all our social media sites. Inbox me. Hit me up in the email. That's HogOnWelding@gmail.com. If you're in the local area or OKC, you can hit the business number. It's 405-977-9343. That's 405-977-9343. But make sure you check out the website, because we're most definitely getting our hog on. www.HogOnWelding.com. That's www.HogOnWelding.com. I'm out.